Five-star service at One Star Drive.
Check out this 2011 BMW 5 Series. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Mercedes-Benz of Laguna Niguel.
Five-star service at One Star Drive.
Visit us at One Star Drive or mblaguna.com.